Hello everyone, this is Saurabh Kumar and welcome you all to our own YouTube channel 0200247 Beginning of Winning. Students, this is the only platform which is for ICSE Board. Here I will solve each and every topic and chapter of your syllabus which will come in your exams. Okay, so those students who haven't subscribed the channel or new on this channel, so please subscribe the channel so that you can get more updates regarding your syllabus. Okay, and here I will cover the subjects like maths and physics from 0 to hero level. Here I will solve each and every exercise in detail with concepts. Okay, and the one benefit is also here I will provide the videos like how to boost your calculation as well as the interesting facts about the world. Okay, so these all videos are boost your IQ level and which is also important or also helpful for your all examination or all competitive exams like NTSC, Olympiad, KVPY, Army School, etc. etc. Okay, so without wasting our time, so we are going to discuss the exercise 23. Actually, I already started in the previous video this exercise and I solved in that video from question number from 1 to 8, and today we are going to solve from question number 9. Okay, so let's continue the video. So the question number 9 is the shadow of a vertical tower AB on level ground is shadow of a vertical tower AB. This is the tower. This is the tower A and B. Okay. Shadow of a vertical tower AB on level ground is increased by 10 meter. Okay, shadow of the vertical tower. Let us take, this is the original shadow, this is the shadow. Okay, and I will take this as a point C. Ground is increased by 10 meter. At starting, this is the shadow of this tower, but after some time the shadow is increased by 10 meter. Here this is 10 meter and I will take this point as D. Well, the altitude of the sun changes from 45 degree to 30 degree. Here the altitude, or we can say that angle of elevation of this point is 40 degree, and when this point changes from 45 degree to 30 degree, the shadow is increased by 10 meter. Okay, this is the 30 degree as shown in the figure. This figure is given in your question. This point is D and this is C. Find the height of the tower and give your correct answer. Here this is given H and this is X. We have to find the height of this tower. So how I proceed this? So those students who haven't watched the previous video in which I solved from question number 1 to question number 8, and I also discussed how to solve or how to attempt the question like this. So please go and watch the video. I provide the link of those videos in the description box. Okay, so here in this problem, this is the triangle in height and distance. This is the application of trigonometry, all you know now. So here I will always deal with right angle triangle. Okay, I will always deal with right angle triangle. So here in this diagram, here it is two right angle triangle. One is ABD and other is ABC. Okay, these two are right angle triangles. So we take this ABD firstly and then this ABC. Okay, so firstly I will take here triangle ABD. From triangle ABD, this is the height and this is the base. So I use which trigonometric ratio is tan 45 degree. Why I take here tan? Because tan is perpendicular upon height, and here it is given also perpendicular upon base, and in the question here it is the perpendicular and it is the base. So tan 45 degree is h by x. Okay, so tan 45 degree, value of tan 45 degree is 1 is equal to h by x. So h is equals to x. This is the first equation. Now again I will take the right angle triangle which is ABC. Okay, this is the right angle triangle ABC. Here this is tan 30 degree. Why I take tan 30 degree? Because this is tan is the ratio of perpendicular upon base. So here this is tan 30 degree is h upon, this is the base, and base is x plus 10. Okay, this is x and this is 10. So this whole distance is x plus 10. So this is the, now tan 30 degree. What is the value of tan 30 degree? Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3 is equal to x plus 10. Now from equation 1 I write in place of x h. Okay, I write here h in place of x. So I write this h by h plus 10 is equals to 1 by root 3. Now if I do the cross multiplication, so this is root 3h is equals to h plus 10. Now if I further simplify this equation or this expression, so I bring this h to left hand side from right hand side. So this is root 3h minus h is equals to 10. Now I take common h. So in bracket there is root 3 minus 1 is equals to 10. Now this is h is equals to 10 upon root 3 minus 1. Okay, now here this is the term which is in root in the denominator. So we have to rationalize this whole term. So I rationalize this h is equals to 10 by root 3 minus 1. In denominator here it is root 3 minus 1. So I multiplied and divide by root 3 plus 1. Always multiplied and divide by opposite of this sign. Okay, so this is 10 root 3 plus 1 upon, this is root 3 minus 1, this is root 3 plus 1. So a minus b and a plus b. So a minus b and a plus b, formula of a minus b and a plus b is a square minus b square. So I write here root 3 square minus 1 square. Okay, now if I further solve this, h 10 root 3 plus 1 upon, this is 3 minus 1, so 3 minus 1, so this is 10. Value of root 3 is 1.732 plus 1 upon 3 minus 1 is 2. So this is 5 into 1 plus 1 is 2.732. 5 into 2.732. Now I multiply this. 5 into 2 is 10. 5 into 3 is 15 plus 1 16. 7 into 5 is 35 and 1 36. 3 carried. 5 into 2 is 10 13. 13.660 meter. The value of height of the tower is this. AB is 13.660. Okay. So this is the solution of question number 9. Please note down on your notebook. Now come to question number 10. Question number 10 is the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points. Here this is the tower A and B. Angle of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points on the ground at a distance A meter and B meter. Here this is the 1 point and this is the 2 point, second points, and an angle of elevation from these 2 points is given from here and here. The distance of this is B and this is A, which is given in your question. Okay, A and B meter from the base of the tower, and in the same straight line with it are complementary. Complementary means, what is the mean of complementary? Complementary means the total sum of the angle is 90 degree. Okay, so here one angle is this and this, another is this, so sum of these two angle is 90 degree. Okay, so if I take this angle as theta, so now automatically this, if I take this angle as theta, so theta plus b is equals to 90 degrees. So b is equals to how much? 90 minus theta. So similarly here, if I take this as theta, so this angle is automatically 90 minus theta. Okay, complementary means complementary angle means sum of the angle is 90 degree. Okay, remember this point. So straight line with it are complementary, so this angle is theta. Now this angle will become 90 minus theta. Prove that the height of the tower is root AB meter. Okay, we have to prove this. So again, how I solve this? This is D and this is C. Again here I will take two right angle triangle. One is ABD and other is ABC. Okay, in trigonometry we always take the right angle triangle. Okay, we always take right angle triangle. So here first right angle triangle is triangle ABD. This is height h of this tower. So 10, I use here which trigonometric ratio? 10, and the angle is 90 minus theta. Why I take tan? Because tan is the ratio of perpendicular upon base. So that's why I am using here tan identity. Okay, so tan 90 minus theta is equals to perpendicular is h upon base is b. This is the first equation. Okay, this tan 90 minus theta is, I think you all aware about this. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Okay, cot theta. Tan 90 minus theta is equals to cot theta. So cot theta is equals to h by b. This is the first equation. Now second equation. In second equation I take ABC, angle ABC. Okay, now from this triangle ABC, tan theta is equals to perpendicular upon base, and the base is, the whole distance is A, so tan theta is equals to h by A. Now here we have to prove this h is equals to root AB. So now using equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, this cot theta into tan theta, if I take multiplication or product of this 1 and 2 equations, so cot theta into tan theta is equals to, this is h by b and this is h by a, so this is h square upon ab. Now we have already learned this cot theta into tan theta is equals to 1. So I write in place of this 1 is equals to h square upon ab. So if I rearrange this whole, so h square is equals to ab, and if I take h is equals to, so this square will become this AB to under root AB. Okay, so h is equals to root AB, and this we have to prove this in the question. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 10. Now come to question number 11. A man in a boat rowing away from a lighthouse 150-meter high. This is the lighthouse which is 150-meter high. Okay. Takes 1.5 minutes to change the angle of elevation of the top of the lighthouse from 60 degree to 45 degree. Okay, find the speed of the boat. Here the question is the man in a boat rowing away from a lighthouse. Okay, this is the lighthouse and the boat is rowing away from this lighthouse. So here this is the boat and the angle of elevation from this point to the top of the lighthouse is 60 degree. Okay, from this point the angle of elevation of the tower is 60 degree, which is given in the question, and the angle of here the point is given takes 1.5 minutes to change the angle of elevation. Okay, 1.5 minutes to change the angle of elevation of the top of the lighthouse from 60 degree to 45 degree. So when the angle of elevation is 45 degree, the boat takes 1.5 minutes to go from this point to this point and making an angle 60 degree and making the angle 60 degree to 45 degree. Okay, so this is given, this is 1.5 minute, time is given 1.5 minute. This is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. Okay, and here is given this is X and this is A. So we have to calculate the speed of the boat. How we proceed this? In the question is given this is the height and this is the angle of elevation at the starting 60 degree. Okay, now the boat takes 1.5 minutes to go from this point to this point, and angle of elevation changes from 60 degree to 45 degree. Okay, we have to calculate the speed of the boat, in which speed the boat travel from D to C, so that the boat takes 1.5 minutes. Okay, so firstly we have to calculate this distance. Once I get the distance between C and D and we have a time, so we know the formula of speed. Speed is distance upon time. So by using the formula we can easily calculate the speed. Okay, so here again there is two right angle triangle. One is ABD and other is ABC. So by using both this triangle we can easily calculate the distance x. So here from triangle ABD again we take 10 and the angle is 60 degree is equal to, this is the height 150 meter and this is the base is A. Okay, now tan 60 degree, the value of tan 60 degree is root 3. Okay, those students who don't know the value of this all trigonometric ratio like tan 30 60 or sin 30 60 45, so please go and watch the first part of this video, first part of this chapter height and distance, where I explain in detail how to learn easily all the value of trigonometric ratio. Okay, where I explained in very easy way. You need not to learn, you simply go and understand how I get all the values. So once you understand how the value comes, so you need not to learn all the value, you easily remember all these things where the value comes. Okay, so watch the first part of this video. So tan 60 degree is equals to root 3. Here this is 150 height and this is, here if I rearrange this, A is equals to 150 by root 3. Okay, now here this is root 3 which is in denominator, so we have to rationalize this by multiplying numerator and denominator with root 3. So this is 150 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3 is 3, so 350. 53 is a 150. So value of A is 50 root 3. This is equation number 1. Now again I take the right angle triangle, which is triangle ABC. So by using this triangle, we write here tan 45 degree because angle is given 45 and we know the value of height and we have to calculate the value of base. So we use this identity, which is tan 45 degree, which is height upon this total distance is, if this is x and this is a, so total distance is x plus a. So tan 45 degrees, value of tan 45 degrees is 1. So 1 is equals to h upon x plus a. So if after doing the cross multiplication I get x is equals to x plus a. Now here value of h is 150 meters. So this is 150. This is x and value of a is 50 root 3. Value of a is 50 root 3. So if when I bring this 50 root 3 to the left hand side, so I write here 50 root 3 is equals to x. Okay, x is equals to 150 minus 50 root 3. So x is equals to 150. If I take common 50, from both this term, so here this is 50 into 3 is 150. So 3 minus this is root 3. Okay, after taking common here in first part, the remaining is 3 because 50 into 3 is 150, and in the second part if I take 50, the remaining one is root 3. So this is 3 minus root 3. So x is equals to 50. Again if I take root 3 as a common, so here this is root 3 minus 1 because 3 is root 3 into root 3. So this is root 3 minus 1. So x is equals to 50 root 3 into root 3. Value of root 3 is 1.732 into this root 3 is 1.732 minus 1. So x is equals to 50 into 1.732 into this is 0.732. Okay. Now after multiplication you get this value, which is x is equals to 63.4 meter. Now this is the distance x and here the time is given, t is equals to 1.5 minutes. So distance we already know and the time is also given in the question. So by using both this, speed is equals to distance upon time. The distance we have to calculate here, we get the value of distance is 63.4 and the time is given, which is 1.5. This is 1.5 minute. This is in meter and this is in minute. So speed is equals to 63.4. Here decimal is after unit place and here also the decimal is after unit place. So I cancel both the decimals. So this is 634 and this is 15. So divide this. So 15 4s are 60, 3 15 2s are 30. The remaining is 4. So 15 2s are 30. Again 15 6s are 6s are. So this is meter per minute. This is the speed of the boat through which the boat is rowing, and the angle will changes from 60 degree to 45 degree in 1.5 minutes. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 11. This is the solution of question number 11. This is in meter per minute. Okay, so if you want to change this meter per minute into meter per second, so you can do also this one. The speed is equals to 634 upon 15 meter per second. So 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So simply I multiply here 60 So you can easily get 0.5, 0.7 meter per second. Okay. Now come to question number 12. The question number 12 is two pillar of equal height. This is the two pillar of equal height H on either side of a roadway. Here this is the road, and on each side here it is a pole of same height, which is H, which is 120 meter wide. This is 120 meter wide. So basically in the question is given the distance between both this pole is 120 meter. At a point on the road lying between the pillars, here is any point lying between the roads. The elevation of the pillars are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Here the angle of elevation is 60 degree and 30 degree. Why this point is not between of this road? Because not at the mid of this road, because the angle is different. This is 60 and this is 30. If in case this point is at the mid of the road, then the angle is always equal. Okay, the angle of elevation is equal when the point is at the mid of the roadway. But here the angle of elevation is different. One is 60 and one is 30. So that's why the point is not at the mid of the road. Okay, so that's why I am taking these points here. So find the height of each pillar and the position of the point. Each pillar means height is same, so we have to find the height of the pillar and position of the point of this point. Okay, position of this point means at how much distance this point from this pillar and from this pillar. Okay, so how we proceed this? Firstly we have to take the right angle triangle. So here there are two right angle triangle. One is triangle ABE and the other is triangle CED. So this is the triangle and this is the triangle. Both are right angle. So firstly I will take here the right angle triangle ABE. This is the right angle triangle. Here which identity I will use? This is 60 degree, this is height, and this is base. So simply I put here tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is equals to height H upon base is X. So this is tan 60 degree and value is tan 60 degree is √3. This is H upon X. Okay, this is H upon X. So H is equals to X √3. This is first equation. Now again we use this triangle CED. So by taking this triangle CED, tan 30 degree is equals to, this is the triangle, this is 30 degree, again this is height and this is base. So which identity I use here? Tan, and the angle is 30 degree. So height is H upon base is 120 minus X. Tan 30 degree, value of tan 30 degree is 1 by √3. So 1 by √3 is equals to H upon 120 minus X. Now here this value of H is X √3. So I put this value of H is here. So the equation is X √3. Sorry, this is 1 by √3 is equals to X √3 upon this is 120 minus X. So if I cross multiply this expression, so this is 120 minus X is equals to, this is 3X. √3 into √3 is 3. So this is 3X. Now 120, if I rearrange this expression, now this is 120 is equals to 3x plus 4x. This is minus in left hand side. So if I bring this x to the right hand side, so this minus become plus. So this is 4x. Now the value of x is equals to 120 by 430. So x is equals to 30 meter. Okay. Now once you get the value of x, simply put the value here and get the answer. So h is equals to x √3. So by using this expression, x is 30 and this is √3. So 30 into 1.732. Multiply this 30 into 1.732. So this is 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 7 3s are 21, 3 1s are 3, 2 5, and this is 0. So decimal is after how much digit? 1 2 3. So I put the decimal after 3 digit, 51.96. So height of this pillar is 51.96. Okay, this is the solution of question number 12. Now come to question number 13. Question number 13 is the angle of elevation of the top Q of a vertical tower PQ. This is the vertical tower P and Q. Angle of elevation is given from a point X on the ground is 60 degree. From a point X on the ground is 60 degree. The angle of elevation is given from this point to this point, which is 60 degree. At a point Y, 40 meter vertically above X, Y is here, which is 40 meter vertically above from point X. The angle of elevation is 45 degree. From this point, the angle of elevation of this point is 45 degree is given. Okay. Now find the height of the tower PQ. We have to find this height and the distance xq and the distance xq. Okay, we have to calculate also this distance also, xq, this one. So how I proceed this one? So again here there are two right angle triangle. One is this xpq. One right angle triangle is xpq and other is, this is also a right angle triangle, so other one is y. If I take this as m, so this is ymq. Okay, so we use both this triangle. So firstly I use here this triangle, which is triangle ymq. So through this triangle I write here tan 45 degree. Here tan 45 degree is what? This is, if I take this is xp, I take this x. Okay, so if this is x, so this is also x, this is ym. Oh sorry, tan is perpendicular upon height. If this height is h, so this is automatically h minus 40. This height is, okay, this height is h, this is 40, so this height is h minus 40. So I write here h minus 40 upon base. Base is x. So I write here x. So x is equal tan 45 degree. Value of tan 45 degree is 1. H minus 40 by x. So x is equals to h minus 40. Equation 1. Okay. I simply multiplied this x with 1. So x is equals to h minus 40. Now we use this right angle triangle, which is xpq. Okay, xpq. So by using this triangle, I use the trigonometric ratio tan 60 degree. Okay, why tan 60 degree I use? Because this is height and this is base. So once we get this value, once we get these value, height and base, we can easily calculate this one. Okay, so this tan 60 degree is equals to height is h and base is x, h upon x. Okay, so h upon x, and tan 60 degree is root 3. Root 3 is equals to h upon x. So simply put the value of h here. So by using this, h is equals to how much? X plus 40. Okay, by using this, h is equals to x plus 40. So simply I write here x plus 40 upon x. So this is root 3 cross multiplication. After cross multiplication, this is root 3x and this is x plus 40. Okay, I simply cross multiplied here. So root 3x is equals to x plus 40. I bring this x to this side, left hand side. So this is root 3x minus x is equals to 40. So if I take common root x, if I take common x, so this is root 3 minus 1 is equals to 40. So x is equals to 40 by root 3 minus 1. So here we have to rationalize this because in denominator here are root value. So simply I multiply denominator and numerator with opposite sign of this value. So this is root 3 plus 1 and this is root 3 plus 1. Okay. Whenever you get the root value in denominator, you simply rationalize this. So this is 40 root 3 plus 1 and this is a minus b and a plus b. So a square minus b square root 3 square minus 1 square. So this is 40 root 3 plus 1 upon 3 minus 1, 40 root 3 plus 1 upon 2. Okay, so 22 is 40. So value of x is equals to 20 root 3 plus 1. So this is 20 into root 3. Value of root 3 is 1.732. So this is 1.732 plus 1 is 2.732. Multiply this 20 with 2.732. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, and 2 2s are 4 and 1 5. This is 0. I put 0 here. Decimal is after 3 digits, so I put decimal here. So this is 54.640 meter. Value of x is 54.640 meter. So once we get the value of x, we easily get the value of h. H is equals to how much? X plus 40. Okay, h is equals to x plus 40. X plus 40. So x is equals to 54.6 plus 40 is here. So this is 94.6 meter. Okay, 54 plus 40 is equals to 94 and this is 0.6 meter. So value of h, I get the value of h and also get the value of x. We have to measure this value. So simply nothing to worry about this. Simply use the identity sine because sine is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So I use here sine 60 degree. Sine 60 degree is perpendicular. Perpendicular is h upon hypotenuse is this, which we have to calculate, x cube. Okay, so this h, value of h we get 94.6 upon x cube, and value of sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. So this is root 3 by 2, 94.6. This is x cube. So x cube is equal to 94.6 into 2 upon root 3. Here we get the root value in denominator. So simply multiply with this value in numerator and denominator. So x cube is equals to 94.6 into 2 is 6 2s are 12, 9, 4 2s are 8 and 9, 9 2s are 18 and this is decimal. So 189.2 root 3 upon 3. Okay, so this is 213, 311, 9. This is the value 189.2 root 3 by 3. Okay, you get the value 109.28 meter. This is your answer. Okay. Now come to question number 14. A man 1.8 meter tall stands at a distance of 3.6 meter from a lamp post and casts a shadow of 5.4 meter on the ground. Find the height of the lamp post. So this is the lamp post. Okay. AB is the lamp post. 1.8 meter tall stands at a distance of 3.6 meter. This is the distance of 3.6 meter. Here a tall boy, 1.8 meter tall boy is standing here. 1.8 meter tall boy standing here. Lamppost, in front of lamppost, and cast a shadow of 5.4 meter. If there is a lamp post is here, a boy is here, so his shadow is always his backside, always at the back side of the tall boy, and the distance of the shadow is 5.4, or length of the shadow is 5.4, means this is the length of the shadow, 5.4 meter is given. Okay, find the height of the lamp post. We have to find the height of the lamp post. This is A, B, this is C, this is E, this is B, this is F. Okay, we have to find the height of this lamp post. This distance is given 3.6 meter and this is 5.4 meter. Okay, simply you join this point, you have to join this point B to this point E. I join this, so this is the height of the tall boy. I put the name here D. Okay, so CD is the height of tall boy. Now again we'll draw the horizontal line and I name this point as F. Why I draw this horizontal line? Why? Because we always deal with the right angle triangle. So by draw this line, we have now two right angle triangle. One is this and other is this. So that's why I joined this line. Okay. So if there is the angle theta, so if this angle is theta, so we can say that this is also theta. How this could happen? Here, this is two parallel line, this is the two parallel line, okay, and this is the slant line. So if this is theta, this will be also theta. Okay, if this is the theta, this could be also theta. So by using this property, I write here this is theta, so this is also theta. Now here there are two triangle, right angle triangle. One is BDF, and other is BEA. Okay, both these are right angle triangles. So I use here the identity. First triangle is BDF. By using this triangle, I write simply tan theta. Tan theta is equals to this height BF upon base, which is BF. Okay, if this height is H and this is 1.8, so how much is this height? This is H minus 1.8. So I write here H minus 1.8. And this is DF. If this is 3.6, so this is also 3.6 because both are the parallel side of a rectangle. So this is 3.6. Okay, so tan theta is equals to H minus 1.8 upon 3.6. Now again we use the right angle triangle. This is BAE. Okay, BAE. So in this triangle, I use tan theta. This is tan theta and this is height. So this is H upon this is total base. So if this is 5.4 and this is 3.6, so 5.4 plus 3.6 is 9 meter. Tan theta is equal to H by 9. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So by using both this equation, we can easily equate both the equation. Because this is also tan theta and this is also tan theta, so I write simply here H minus 1.8 upon 3.6 is equals to H by 9. So after cross multiplication, this is 9H minus 1.8 into 9. So 18 9 ja 8 9 ja 72, and this is 9 1 9 7 162. 9H minus 162, here the decimal is after 1 point, so this is 16.2 is equals to 3.6H. Okay, so after simplified this, 9H minus 3.6, so after subtraction the value is 5 3 is 8, 5.4. Okay, 5.4 h is equals to 16.2. So h is equals to 16.2 upon 5.4. So simply 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 16, 3 times. So h is equals to 3 meter. H is equals to 3 meter. So this is the total height which we have to calculate this. So we get the value which is 3 meter. Okay, this is question number 14. Now come to question number 15. Question number 15 is, I think, very easy one. In the adjoining figure, a man stands on the ground at a point A. Here the diagram is given. This is B and this is A. In the adjoining figure, a man stands on the ground at point A. A man is standing at here, which is on the same horizontal plane as B. The foot of the vertical pole is BC. Here, this is the pole BC. The height of the pole is 10 meter. This is given 10 meter. The man's eye is 2 meter above the ground. Here, the man's eye, which is 2 meter above the ground. He observes the angle of elevation of C. Okay. So this is the angle of elevation. The top of the pole as x degree. This is given x degree. Where 10x degree is, in the question is given 10x degree is 2 by 5. Calculate the distance AB in meter. We have to calculate this distance. Okay. In the question is given 10x degree. This is x degree, 10x. 10x is what? The perpendicular upon base. So if this height is 10 meter and this is 2 meter, this height will become 8 meter. 10 minus 2, this is 8 meter. If I get this value, so we can easily give the answer, the distance between this AB. Okay, so you find this value and then you easily get this value. So 10x is equals to perpendicular. 10x is equals to perpendicular is, I write this as E and ABC. This is D. Okay. So 10x is equals to this is CE upon this is DE. So CE is 8 and DE, we don't know the value of DE. 10x is given in the question 2 by 5, 8 upon DE. So by multiplication, DE is equals to 8 into 5 upon 2. So 2 4 ja 8. DE is equals to 5 4 ja 20 meter. Okay, this is 20 meter. Now this is the shape of rectangle and this is the parallel side. So if this is 20 meter, then AB is also 20 meter. So distance of AB is equals to 20 meter and we get this value. Okay, so this is the question number 15 and this is the end of this video. In the next video we do further the question like 16 from 16. Okay, so thank you for watching this video and please like the video, and if you haven't subscribed the channel, subscribe the channel also. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.